The cost and complexity of today's electronic assemblies is forcing manufacturers to re-examine the tools and techniques they have in operation today. Introducing Scarab Site Cleaning System, an automated solution capable of cleaning components pads without contact. The Scarab has a compact footprint for easy benchtop use and features a 343mm or 13.5-inch open-ended printed circuit board holder, providing the flexibility needed to hold multiple board sizes. The system features an intuitive graphics-based user interface for simple operation. The motion control screen allows the parameters to be set for each pad or component to be cleaned. Simply select the type of area to be cleaned and select the details from the appropriate drop-down menu. Positioning the head over the pad area is easy with the jog controls and a laser crosshair, which allows the operator to align the system to the pad. The Scarab Site Cleaning System features an option to assist in the removal of epoxy underfills, common on printed circuit boards used in the mobile industry. The thermal profile can be adjusted on the fly to add additional time zones, change temperature target set points, or with auto profiling selected, allows the Scarab to create the thermal profile. Both methods provide the process control necessary to ensure safe solder removal. When in operation, a precision laser height sensor adjusts the Z-axis automatically for consistent operation over the solder removal area to ensure the vacuum nozzle does not come into contact with the board. Multiple reflow and vacuum nozzles are available to meet your application requirements. Nozzles are stored for convenience and easy access, with additional storage for additional accessories. The Standalone Scarab Site Cleaning System allows you to add site cleaning capability to your operation without the investment of replacing your current component rework system. Adding the Scarab to your operation minimizes the risk to your rework operation while maximizing throughput. Control, convenience, improved ROI.